Hello there, in this tutorial we are going to talk about surface area, and specifically surface area of a cuboid or a box like this. So what is the surface area? Well, all it will be is the area of this side, this side, this side, that side and the bottom. Or if you think about it another way, the total area of all of the inside of the shape is going to be the surface area of the cuboid. So we don't really want to think about it in these terms. What we really want to do is to make this three-dimensional shape a two-dimensional shape. So this is how we're going to do it. Here we are. Okay. Stick that to the board. Excellent. Now, we're using the brown side because it's more, you can see it better on the board. Basically, but we could work out the outside, the other side as well, which would be white, as you remember from the box I showed you at the beginning there before I ripped it up. But we're going to use the brown side so we can see it nice and easily. Okay, so what we need to do with this is we need to work out the dimensions of the rectangles. And you can clearly see the rectangles here, and we're going to work them all out and then we're going to add them together. Right, so first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the dimensions of these rectangles. So here we go. We've got a ruler. So that side's 30. Alright, so now we've got all of the dimensions on all the rectangles and we can work out the areas. So remember, it's just going to be length times breadth for each one. So that's going to be 690. And these are all in centimetres, by the way, so let's just do that. Mustn't forget our units. Alright, so this is 23 times 21. That's going to be the same. These are all centimetres squared. So you can see where we're going with this. 23 times 30 again, so that's exactly the same as this. So we'll get length times breadth, 30 times 23, and that's going to be 690 square centimetres. So we can see we've got our values for our area. We're missing this one though, so we have to figure out the length and the breadth of this section. So that's going to be 30 times 21. We can see that that's 21. So the length times breadth is going to be 30 times 21, which equals 630. Now, all we have to do now is we just have to add up total areas and we'll get the full surface area of that cuboid. So if we do that just now, then we've got a total. So let's write that over here. We've got 690 plus 690 plus 483 plus 483. And that's these two sides plus 630. So we add them all up and we get, if we do that, 2976 centimetres squared. And that's the total surface area of a box that we've flattened out to make it two-dimensional, and then calculated the areas separately, just using length times breadth, and then we add them all up. Okay, so that's how we figure out surface area of a cuboid.